They're African Jamaican. That's how black they are. That's how black they are. They're all black. Mm.
What now?
I can't say that. I,
Okay,
I, I can't do it.
if we
It is
lose one more
February.
game, I think you might have to say it.
Yeah, if I lose the next game to, this was not even a full trio. It was a duo that we lost to.
I got headshot sniped.
Yeah, and I had 20 health, and you wouldn't go through the window.
I'm sorry, I'll do
You
better
killed
next
me.
time.
Yeah, Declan.
Was that funny?
That was pretty funny, but that wasn't me laughing. My dad said a joke to my stepmom, and she's laughing a lot. That's why that's happening.
Really?
Yeah.
Prove it.
Dad, my friends want to know why you're laughing. Why you guys are laughing?
No, I'm the man. So my belly button's sticking out.
Oh,
And this is the innie.
nobody needed to know that. I'm gonna go and get a drink.
Wait, did you?
Okay, you do that.
Okay.
I stay hydrated.
This is so goated.
I clipped like 8 things.
Max, don't tell anyone, but I'm recording this. So
I am too.
I'm gonna post it on my YouTube channel if he says anything.
No, don't post it on the YouTube
No,
channel.
I'll just show it to everyone.
I have it. I'm recording this too.
Oh, oh, oh. Gucci down to the socks like I'm Biggie Papa.
I'm gonna go to bed
baby.
soon.
Ki.
It's like
Soon?
8:50. I'm tired.
No, you gotta stay up and play with Puppy Joe and me.
No,
You're making a grave mistake.
I'm sorry.
This is a once in a lifetime opportunity.
Puppy Joe the goat. Why is matchmaking taking so long?
I don't know.
My dad just tried to start playing.
What did he start playing?
You have to be 9 o'clock. There's so much to do.
Alright, I'm ready.
Dad, you're not playing.
I'll play.
Oh,
Dad.
your dad can play. He'll win.
My dad doesn't know how to build, just so you know.
Uh-oh.
Ooh.
He killed somebody one time.
He did.
No, I did.
He killed one person in Fortnite.
Only one.
Really?
You're not playing, Dad. We're spectating because we got shit all over by big men
Alright.
that were all black.
Ah! Oh my god!
Okay, I'm back.
Okay.
Just remember, I'm not racist if I don't feel like it.
Wait, what did we get? What happened?
He got killed by a bunch of big black men. He was wearing the black football package jersey, so that's why I say that. So
Oh.
it's not racist then, right?
Yeah, it's good.
I'm just telling the truth.
Yeah, you're just being honest, so it's okay.
Yeah. That's what I tell myself every day.
Oh my god.
Alright, where should we land?
We should land here.
Alright.
Okay, ma'am.
Before we can die.
Nuh-uh.
Elite is like the hardest rank to get out of.
Yeah, but once you make
Puppyjo,
it
what
out
was
of the way,
that?
you're good.
Yeah.
Puppyjo, is this Nicholas?
What?
Is this Nicholas?
Yeah.
You were in my cooking class!
Oh, I was?
Uh-huh.
Wait, who are you then?
You know me.
Are you Max or?
Yes, I am.
I thought so.
Sir, what do you want?
That's crazy.
Max.
Sure, Max is my friend.
Oh yeah. I'm the goat.
Who's your best friends in our gym class?
You, Anders, and Joseph. Joey, whatever you want to call him.
Yeah.
Joseph Tyler Rose.
Is Damien still in our gym class?
I don't know. I think that he might be expelled.
Damien got expelled.
He was found with a vape in his backpack, and he got escorted out of school by police.
What? Really?
Yeah. That's what I was told by people who took the bus.
Oh, he
And I
was
haven't
on my
heard from him
bus.
since the day. Which means he's probably not suspended. He's probably in jail.
Probably.
Damien's in jail.
Has he been on Fortnite?
No, he hasn't been playing Fortnite.
Uh-oh.
So he's either in jail or he's playing Call of Duty.
Yeah,
let
he
me know if
plays
you
too
found
much
a pistol.
Warzone. He plays Warzone, but that's normal for him, because he says the N-word every day, hard R to me. That's what he calls me.
Well, I call you Nicholas.
Yeah, me too.
Yeah. He says Nicholas without the lists.
Uh-oh.
Nick.
Nicholas. See, I finished the word,
Yeah.
so I didn't say anything.
Yeah,
If
Yeah.
you lose,
okay.
you might have to say something.
Yeah, I would never, ever. Okay, actually, I probably would, but
You changed
and I
your mind.
probably have.
If we lose this, I think you might need to.
Yeah, I'm probably going to anyways.
Guys,
What'd you
let's
just
get in
say?
my car and let's drive around.
Oh, last time I got into a car, it was a big white van,
Big
I'm
one?
in.
and it was
Really?
scary.
What happened?
No. Ah! I got into the enemy's car in the game, and then they drove me in the storm. And then when I got out, because I didn't want to go in the storm,
Yeah.
5 big people hopped out of the car and full boxed me. Oh no, I full boxed, and they took every single one of my walls, and then knocked me, and then emoted me on me, and then I said the N-word hard R 7 times.
Really?
Yeah,
Is that how mad you were?
yeah. Oh, we're probably gonna die. Oh, I probably shouldn't have hopped out.
No, don't get out, don't get out.
I'm scared. Woohoo! Yay, I'm alive.
Dead on one?
Why did I throw my business shirt? Get that guy. We need to chase him down until he's dead.
Yeah.
Ah!
That's the guy I'm talking about.
He's fat. He's fat full of love.
How funny was Effie though?
Nick! Yes!
Oh yeah, I killed
Hey,
the champion player.
don't steal my purple drum. That thing's mine. I got it.
Yeah, you can have it.
Just thank you. There's a reboot van. Right there.
Okay.
I'll come over and we'll help you.
Alrighty. Thanks, gang. Dude, what the hell did I get that? Puppy
Good that we
Joe!
didn't die, otherwise he might have had to say something.
Yeah, we're gonna win the game so they don't. Isn't that right?
Texted me. Drew, stop texting me! Stop
Nick,
sending
do
me
you have any
TikToks.
rockets?
Do I have any rockets?
Back when I saw your rockets, you got like max rockets.
I need one.
I don't have any rockets at all.
I have 11 and I need 12.
You have to get off?
No,
Oh, okay, good.
my dad thinks that I should shower. I haven't showered in 7 months.
Well, maybe you should shower.
7
yeah.
months.
Realistically, it's only been like 2 days since I showered, and I'm gonna shower, but like, first I have to get a Fortnite win.
Yeah, because Fortnite's more important than showering.
Yeah. This is mine.
What's yours?
This big pot.
No, it's mine.
Nuh-uh.
This the hell it is?
I don't feel like it.
Oh, I'm sorry, Nick. It's okay. We'll get you through this.
Yeah. Oh, let's go rush this team with medallions, because that's probably the smartest thing to do.
They're right there. Puppy Joe, be careful. And there's one right there.
Oh, I cracked one. I cracked one.
Oh. Are you sure that's on AI?
You flipping cracked them?
Yeah, I'm sure it is. Not, because I hit him 120.
Oh. He's hard scoping, Max.
Ah! Cracked.
No,
I cracked,
Puppy Joe.
3 of them. All 3 of them. This one heals because he has Peter's shotgun. They have the Peter shotgun, so, yeah, don't try that. That hits 190.
Can't catch me, slowpokes.
You guys have to clutch. I'm not saying the N-word.
You're
That guy's
what?
cracked almost. That guy's hit 150.
Oh, I got him.
Oh, that guy has a medallion. I think they're below you guys.
Dead!
That was close.
Oh, I accidentally scooped the mythic. Declan, come here.
Oh, thank you, thank you, thank you.
I died because I played too aggressive.
That's okay.
No, we just weren't with you, that's all.
Yeah.
I couldn't build. He's right here, Max. Max, where are you?
Max is up there because he wasn't with you. Rush into the box with the shotgun.
Where?
Oh, that's not good. That's not good at all. Yep, don't, no. Max. Max.
What?
I'm gonna get banned from voice chat for saying this.
No, we won't report you.
I didn't even go up and we had 5 kills.
I've already been reported to voice chat multiple times.
What are you gonna say?
I'm gonna say the N-word hard R right now.
Really?
You won't.
Yeah, you won't.
Oh, I won't. I won't. No, I don't make jokes or threats. If this guy does not die, I won't say it. If this guy dies, I won't say it. If he does, then I will. No, if he does, then I won't. Okay, I don't have to say it anymore because I feel like it.
Well, if we lose this next one...
Mr. Excuses over here.
Yeah, you're too scared to say it.
I'm too scared to say it.
Yeah, you are.
Okay.
You're too scared.
I just want to clarify. Neither of you are recording anything right now, right? Last
It's
time,
been recorded on PC.
my friend said that he started recording the call, and then I said something I shouldn't have. You know who killed us? You know what he is?
What?
What?
He is a nigger. I told you I'd do it. I ain't playing.
Oh
Is
my
he good
god.
though?
What?
Is he good at Fortnite though?
No, he's not good at Fortnite. I could probably beat him in a 1v1 10-0.
What is he?
He's like champion, but I don't care.
No, what is he?
Oh, no, I already said that one time.
Oh.
Let's go to Lavish later to die.
Puppy Joe, I'm gonna tell Steven Sahansky on you.
Nah, you shouldn't say that.
Yeah, you
Telling
wouldn't
Steve.
snitch on Puppy Joe.
I'm just joking.
I get snitched on for saying that a lot. I've
A
been canceled like
lot.
7 times.
7?
7 times. Nicholas, that ain't good.
I should not have said stuff, okay?
But you're good now though. You came back, right? You
Yeah.
recovered?
Yeah, I'm good.
Yeah.
Should I invite
I mean-
Juicy Fruit?
No.
I mean, I
Okay.
did rank up from that game, but like,
You ranked up
I
now?
think in 1 or 2 more games I'm gonna get to Diamond 3.
You're Diamond 2 right now?
Yeah.
Okay, we should all land together.
Let's all land on top of the roof because that works.
Well, there's
Let's
other
pick
Until
Pickaxe
someone
this
gets the
bitch.
gun before me.
I'm gonna land.
I got a gun. I got sniped in the face. That guy's cheating. That guy's cheating.
Oh no!
You just got thrown off the building.
I'm
No.
shooting right now.
No.
No, Nick!
Deco, I'm still alive.
Why did he throw me off the building?
Deco, I'm dead.
These guys are very rude.
Guys, I'm still alive.
I might get off after this round, to be honest.
Okay.
You should not do that.
Well, I want to do something else.
Nick, will you keep playing?
Yeah, I'll keep playing unless my dad makes me go shower. I'm not showering until I have to get off.
That's not good.
My dad just told me it's time to get off.
No!
But I'm gonna finish the match.
You should do one more.
No, you don't need to play for me. I'll just finish the match. Trust me. No, I got it, Dad. You don't need to come out here. No,
Yeah, don't come out
you're not. You're like bronze 2.
What?
Dad's bronze 2.
I'm bronze
If you
1,000.
played, that's as high as you could get, and you started ranking down after that.
I didn't know you
That
could
wasn't
break
very
down
smart.
bronze.
Bronze players have killed me, and that has led me to say the N-word.
No!
If I die to a bronze player right now, will you say it?
No. Because you probably won't run into a bronze player.
What if I did?
Well, he's probably gonna reboot cards and reboot us before you go rushing any teams. Is the boss dead? Someone already has a medallion?
Behind you! Around the corner, upstairs, around the corner! Up there, underwear! Spaghetti!
Joel.
You can't die.
Wait, is
okay?
tomorrow Friday?
Yeah.
Hell yeah!
No, tomorrow
Deco,
should be
that means,
Saturday.
right? You know what that means, right?
What?
What does that mean?
You're coming to my house. We're gonna do something this weekend, Deco.
We might need to.
This weekend I'm gonna play a ton of ranked, and I'm gonna get elite this weekend.
This weekend, I am going to, like, just do nothing. Declan, you have 100 seconds to get Puppy Joe's reboot card.
That wasn't very smart, was it now?
No. What did you just
Come
call
on.
me?
I called you somebody who did not make the right decision.
Well,
Because I
to
ranked
lobby,
down
guys.
7%.
I went back to lobby.
I got killed by a gold player! The player that killed us no-scoped us in the head, Max. was a gold 3.
Holy shit.
Uh-oh, you gotta say it now.
That guy's definitely cheating.
Declan,
Yeah.
look at the lobby.
Fired. Peppers. What is that?
It's from the quests.
Oh, I'm not. I gotta get 2 more quests done.
I was doing quests the whole time.
I had to wreck drummer jack with the hat to match. Remember rapping Dukes? Hard, I never
Ooh,
thought-
oh wait, wrong email. Ooh, hey, Gucci
Hey,
down
2v2
to the
match.
sucks like I'm Biggie Papa.
I got that emote somewhere.
What?
Okay, that's not the right emote. Neither is that.
Oh, that's like you in real life, cause you play the saxophone.
It's right here.
No, I don't play the
No,
saxophone.
you play the flute.
Yeah.
You taught me this, I remember.
Declan
I don't
is
think I
not that
taught you
good.
it, I told you it. I can't teach many players.
Declan.
Yeah.
Okay, we
I have a really good duo that's an elite.
We're gonna do Golem Clone in both lanes.
Alright.
But first, we're gonna quickly defend this. Okay. Now, we lock in.
Double golem.
Go, go, go!
Are you guys in a game?
We're in a Clash Royale game.
Can't catch us, bro, Chowski.
You're in Clash Royale.
Yeah.
I got 7 million power and
Clash Royale.
nothing's
Yeah.
wrong with Clash Royale. I'm not good at Clash Royale.
Oh.
I used to play Clash Royale.
I'm a
Why
god at
don't you
that game.
anymore?
I have 7 million power in Rise of Kingdoms.
7
Holy
million?
shit.
Yeah.
Actually?
No flipping way you have that.
No.
You're a hacker.
I just said that because I know how to get 7 million power in Rise of Kingdoms by cheating. But I would never cheat at something like that.
Yeah, cause you're too, like, honest.
I'm too cracked.
Yeah.
Yes.
Max, that might have been a waste of evolution.
No. Oh, heal spirit for the win. Kablooey.
Alright, we're in a game.
Oh yeah, yeah. Yeah, we are. I gotta collect the society medallion, which means we gotta land Lavish Lair again because we're gonna win this time.
Yeah, we gotta land at the Peter Griffin, and then we all gotta pick it up, because I have that quest too.
Instead of getting thrown off, I just got taken the L on by Travis Scott. Just took the L on me.
3, 2, go!
That is not Travis Scott!
Declan, go!
Oh.
Yeah, it is.
Oh, there he is.
I'm gonna hit this dog if it doesn't stop biting me.
Excuse me?
Who's biting
This
you?
puppy, the puppy keeps on biting me, and I'm trying to think 90s in Fortnite.
Is it Puppy Joe who's doing that?
You know what you should call that puppy?
What? No.
Yo.
Nuh-uh. The puppy's white.
Oh.
What?
What if
I know I have a black dog kid too.
You have a black
You know,
kid.
their nickname is Dumb and Dumber because the puppy's somehow dumber than the other one.
Really?
Yeah. And the puppy keeps on jumping on the couch when they have muddy feet. But my dad tells her to get off the couch and pulls her off the couch like 7 times, but she keeps on getting back on the couch. Why are so many people landing here?
Trust, just land at my house with me. I'll get you some loot.
Okay, if somebody lands at that house before you, we're gonna lose.
But nobody lands there, so we're safe.
Like this one? Or... There's like 8 teams here.
No, there's spaghetti.
Nuh-uh.
We
What do
just
you mean,
gotta play
nuh-uh?
it safe.
Mm-hmm.
Because we just need to get a medallion for the quest.
Yeah.
And then, Puppy Joe, there's a chest
No.
over here.
Oh, I
Okay.
got Flowberry Fizz. Come here.
Oh no! Uh-oh! No!
Holy shit.
No!
What happened?
I'm scared. There's a lot of players shooting here.
Nick, come over by us.
Okay, I'm gonna try to.
Okay.
Oh, so just know you were just you think that.
Oh, Declan, I can see the ring.
Touchdown.
Ow!
Um,
Ow! God damn it, I got a leg cramp.
players,
Nick, let's go kill him.
players,
Let's go clip him!
players.
Nick,
Yeah,
where are you? Come with us.
I'm alive. That's where I am.
No.
No.
Holy Scott Schneider.
I need a pump back.
Players.
Hold.
He's like, I have stuff to copy.
Got one.
Right.
Oops.
Come on, dude.
Oh, there's one real guy.
What? Oh, people copy shit. You get mad when they roll that your joke.
Well, I was thinking I could stand there and copy papers.
Oh, yeah. It doesn't matter. Or like people will send through zip drives and say, hey, I need to get better.
Nick, what are you gonna say if we lose? You guys should go reboot me.
No, there's a player up there and back there.
Nick, you start rebooting and then Max will protect you.
No!
And so like even today, there's like I need you to make 3 copies of this, whatever. And then you wrote on there 3, 2, 1, or I put them in order 1, 2, 3. I put them in order like otherwise I forgot. Or like 3 copies each. Here you go.
Dude, why did my shotgun not shoot? Get him, Nick.
44 damage down to the last player.
Oh, let's go.
I got the reboot card, so
Declan Skadoodle. I'm getting off.
I got sniped.
no, you didn't. You died to cluster clingers.
Yeah, they hit me with the cluster clinger.
I'll push 2-3 and then click the mouse.
That went up 3%.
back to
Or no, I
lobby.
went down 7%.
Oh.
I'm going back to the lobby. I might get off.
No!
Dad, we're still in the game. Trust me.
You're not in the game.
Shut up.
No, we have one more game. One more.
He's
You
the
can't.
dude.
You can't play, Dad. You suck at the game.
No, I've played this before.
If you try to play, you will get bent over by 17 different players at the same
Oh my
time.
god.
What? My dad is going to try to play, and you're probably going to lose.
No, I know how to build. What button do I push?
Circle.
Then what?
Then you got to press the build buttons. Oh, you're going to play a horror game.
Who did that?
Alright, now after I shower, I'll be playing until 11 o'clock, okay?
No.
Yeah.
This kid, he's got the afro, played Fortnite all day.
I'm going to play till 11 o'clock, okay?
Alright, that sounds good.
Yeah, I think I am.
I'm gonna play till 11 o'clock.
No, I
Yeah, no, it's my turn. I've been waiting to play Fortnite all day.
am. Yeah.
Hey, Gordon, you eat these cookies, I'm shoving them right in your fucking throat. Oh, shut up. Here. Right off your butthole.
Man, I need to do something quick.
No, we're in the middle. We're in the middle of a match. Sorry, I just started a new match. I'm playing right now.
Declan,
We just started a new match.
Declan,
What?
what's your snap?
Oh, I got
don't
snap. I got
remember it.
snap.
Okay, what's both your snaps?
It's Max Gunderson.
My phone is dead right now, but
Max Thunderson?
Yeah, Gunderson.
Don't snapping him while you're in the shower.
Nick, play until 11 o'clock.
Okay, my dad's gonna take his turn while I shower.
Alright.
Okay, you can play now.
Alright.
Make sure to talk to my friend. Communication is key.
Yeah. I'm gonna grab the old Benjamin then. What did you do with it? There it is. Alright, now what? What am I supposed to do here?
Now you wait until we get in a game.
Ow!
Max,
Huh?
did you invite me to Snapchat?
No. Maybe. Becca.
Yeah.
Tee 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 tee.
Is this Nick's dad?
Yep.
Are you good
What
at
is this to
Fortnite?
do? What are we doing?
Well, right now the bus is about to come, and then we'll jump out and kill a bunch of people.
Oh. Oh, okay.
So where do you want to drop?
I don't know.
I'm jumping.
Alright, yeah, let's land here. Is it true that Nick hasn't showered for 7 months?
No. I take him outside and hose him off once a week.
Oh.
Really?
Yeah.
I do that too.
Just like the dogs, pretty much.
Yeah. He told me that the dogs have muddy feet and they keep going on the couch.
Yeah. That's what they do.
No!
Oh, somebody shot me already?
Got you. Go away! Max, you gotta help me. Yeah, go kill him.
Alright, sweet. How do you get guns in this game?
Well, you pick them up. So like this one right here, if you run over to this one over here, I don't know what button you press, but then you pick it up and then you swap to it. And then if you
Oh,
press ZR, I think it is.
Yeah, I got it, I got it. Is there, I don't even want candy anymore.
Okay, from last year, so not recommending it.
Oh, use that. Use that med kit.
This one is.
Use this thing. And then press R2.
Ah, squeaking.
Damn.
There's a purple rocket launcher.
Wait, low energy. One of those energy drinks.
Oh, that can get him.
Ah, yeah.
Clipped.
I'm dead.
Blow him up. Woohoo!
Got him. No, 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 no. I couldn't go anywhere.
Flip.
Alright, I'm getting off.
Oh, thanks.
Me too.
Tell Nicholas that I got off.
Hey.
I got you.